Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I am going to be discussing about Moviebox update problem, Moviebox upgrading issue and problem, and Moviebox not working. Now, if you're having this issue of update problem and all the rest about Moviebox, then there's something that you need to do. Now, if your Moviebox is refusing to download or update or upgrade, then this is what you're going to do. There are two things that you actually need to do now. The first thing that you have to do is to head over to your settings. Then on the settings, click on the search tab and then search permission. Now you are going to see permission manager. Click on it, and then you're going to see special app access. Click special app access, and then you click install unknown apps. Click on it. Then you search for Moviebox. Click on it when you find it, and then you toggle it on. Toggle allow from this source. Now after doing that, you're going to head back. Then the second thing that you have to do now is to make sure that you download this platform from a trusted source. Now after re-downloading it or re-upgrading or re-updating, it is going to work fine. So that is how you can be able to fix this. This comes to the end of this video. Please like this video and then subscribe to my channel. Thank you.